everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jan again, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. If you're new here, welcome. Here we do plenty things. So if that interests you, consider in subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're updated with my latest videos. So how are you guys? I haven't done an update on my David Austin roses for a long time. And yeah, because the weather here in the UK is not that good. Previously, it's still too cold in the morning, and then in the afternoon it's already cold. But yeah, the weather is getting better. It's spring now. Normally, I already have blooms on my Gertrude Jekyll, but at this time I haven't done that much in my David Austin roses garden besides watering it. So normally we should be doing the feeding and mulching early April. So the purpose of feeding and mulching is the feeding provides your rose with key nutrients to keep it healthy, allowing it to produce better blooms and resist pests and diseases. And the mulching is the addition of a protective layer of soil improver or compost over the soil around the base of a rose. So it helps to keep the soil moist and rich in nutrients whilst minimizing weeds. So we normally do the mulching before winter to protect it from the cold weather, and during April or early April before summer, so that will protect the rose roots as well from the scorching sun. So anyway, let me just show you how my David Austin roses look like. So as you can see, guys, there are more flowers now in the garden. So that's how the overview of the garden looks like. Thanks to my husband for keeping our garden neat and clean. And then so these let me start on this side first. Look at these gorgeous lavenders. I love the lavender here. It's so full. And then this is how it looks like. So some of the labels were already blown by the wind. There are some storms previously, very strong winds, but probably I'm not the only one who have this problem with our roses this year. I think there are a lot of aphids and other pests in the roses recently, and I've just washed it with water, or sprayed it with water yesterday, and now as you can see there, guys, it's full of aphids again. I've sprayed each and one of them, all the new buds, all the new leaves, and still they're there again. So previously what I do is I use Ultra Rose Clear to spray them, and I have done an organic pest control as well. I'll put a link here at the top of this video so that you can see how it's made, and I'll put the link as well for the feeding and mulching at the top, so you can watch it and start feeding and mulching your roses. So this is my Lady Emma Hamilton, and look at these gorgeous leaves, guys. So the new leaves are red. So even without the flowers yet, it already looks gorgeous. And look at the buds, there are aphids there, but yeah, hopefully we can control this pest soon. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and even the stems of the Lady Emma Hamilton looks red. And this is the Gertrude Jekyll. So soon I can see the buds are already big, and it will open up, or it will open and bloom soon. Normally they bloom April. And then this is, I don't know what is the name of this. Let me see. So I forgot the arrangement of the roses already. So this is the Jubilee Celebration. Alright, so this is the Gabriel Oak. So I will not mention the names of the roses one by one because there's no buds or blooms yet. So basically they all look the same at the moment. And yeah, this one, the pansies, already open, and they're providing beauty to the pot before the actual blooms start. And this one I planted lavender as well. So there you go. This is how they look like. And I haven't repotted my new David Austin roses, Elizabeth, and what is this other one? It's Bring Me Sunshine. So it's Bring Me Sunshine and Elizabeth. So this will be the first time that I'll be able to see how the roses looks like. And let me show you around the other parts of the garden. So this is my Camellia Tree. Some of the flowers already have fallen off. Normally it starts flowering around February. And then let's go down to the other parts of the garden, and let me show you the other beautiful flowers in the garden. So this is the hot lips. So it's already starting to bloom. So during summer this will be full of flowers. And then look at this bleeding hearts. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it when the bleeding hearts are in season. You can see rows and rows of beautiful blooms from the bleeding hearts. So this is our pink one. And then here is one of my favorite flowering shrub here in the garden. I don't know what's the name of this one, but it's just gorgeous. It's always full of first it will start as white flower, and then it will be pink later on. And then there you go, the peonies. They're already in bloom. No, they're not in bloom. They already have buds. Alright, and let me show you the other parts of the garden. Here is our cherry blossom. So there are more leaves now than flowers, but look at how gorgeous this cherry blossom is, guys. It's like, they look like paper flowers. So I'll insert a video of how it looks like when they're in full bloom. And then here's our Japanese maple, and look at how gorgeous the leaves. It's just so red. And here is another of our peony, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, even with just the bud, I'm already excited. I'm always waiting for it to open. But the thing with peonies, guys, is like it takes a long time for it to bloom or to open, and then when it's open it will only take like days and it's gone, and then you have to wait for another year. But they're gorgeous. So my husband have made a DIY birdhouse for my daughters, and yeah, that's how it looks like. And here's our tulip. The only tulips that were left here after I planted it, I can't remember, is it 2 years ago or 3 years ago. So this one comes up every year, and they're gorgeous yellow tulips. And this is another bleeding heart, which is color red this time. And these are the other flowers in the garden. So this smells good. I can't remember what's the name of this, but it smells good during the night. And then our camellia, this is the red camellia, so the flowers already drying, because like the pink one, it starts during February and March as well. And I think this is our apple tree, so it's already starting to flower as well. So that's just a quick update, guys, on how my David Austin Roses garden looks like in the month of April. Basically, it's almost like the end of the month. It's almost May, and probably by May we will have some blooms already, and I'll give you another update when they start blooming. So thank you again for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you again soon in my next video. Happy gardening!